In this video, we will talk about bitwise operators in Python. So, what are bitwise operators? These are operators that are used to perform bit by bit operations on the binary value. Okay. So, for example, let me create two variables here to just help you understand the concept. A equals to 5 and B equals to 3. So currently these numbers are in decimal form, right? 5 and 3 are in decimal form. I'm just converting it into its binary form, okay? That is into bits. So 5 in bits is 0, 1, 0, 1, okay? And then 3 in bits is 0, 0, 1, 1, okay? So if you need to understand the usage of bitwise operators, then you need to, understand what are binary values, what are decimal values. So you need to have knowledge of that. Okay, I'm just assuming you know that, and that's why I'm just proceeding and telling you the usage of bitwise operators. Now there are 6 bitwise operators in Python that you can use. First one is AND, second one is OR, then XOR, then NOT, then zero fill left shift, and zero fill right shift. Zero fill left shift and zero fill right shift. All of these are bitwise operators. This performs bitwise AND operation. This performs bitwise OR operation. This performs bitwise XOR operation. This performs bitwise NOT operation. This performs zero fill left shift, okay? And this one performs zero fill right shift. Okay. Now let me explain you these operations one by one. So AND operation, okay, this is bitwise AND operation. That means the resultant bit, the resultant bit will be 1 if the bits from both values are 1. So that's what the AND operation is. True, 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 and true, false, 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 true, false, and false, false, false. Okay, so if the two values are 1, only the resultant bit will be false. Okay, so I'm just showing you the bitwise AND operation on these two numbers. Okay, so here I'm writing 0, 1, 0, 1, and then as comment, let's say, okay, and here I'm writing 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, now this bit is also 1, this bit is also 1, so therefore the resultant bit will also be 1. Okay, so here I'm writing the resultant bit is also 1. And here is 0, here is 1. So resultant bit will be 0. Here again 1, 0. So resultant bit will be 0. And here 0, 0, 0. Okay. So this will be the result of this bitwise AND operation. Okay. Let me now perform this operation. Okay. Using the bitwise operator AND. What I have to do? I'm just printing A, then AND, and then B. Okay. So this binary value is equivalent to decimal value 1. Okay, 0001 is 1. Okay, let's see if A and B, this one gives 1 or not. Okay, so I'm running this one. So you see it gives the result 1 because the bitwise operation on 5 and 3 gives the result 1 in decimal. Okay, I hope you got the idea. Okay, so now let me just quickly perform all of the bitwise operations, all of the 6 bitwise operations here. So A, OR, B. So this will perform bitwise OR operation on A and B, and then there is XOR operation, A XOR B, and then there is NOT operation. So for NOT we need not to have two variables. We can simply have one variable, NOT of A. Okay, and then the zero fill left shift A, let's say A zero fill left shifted by B, and then A zero fill right shifted by B. Okay, let's see what the result comes. So you see the result 1, 7, 6, minus 6, 40, and 0. Okay, so if you want to verify the result, you can manually perform the bitwise operations like I just illustrated for this bitwise AND operation. So that's all about this video.